Hello guys, what's going on? I just want to apologise for yesterday, but everything's good now. The problem's sorted out, so everything's fine. It's your boy, Brassy Boy, aka the best YouTuber ever. Oh, sorry, did I sneak my secret title in there? Well, you best feel blessed because I shared with you some confidential information, but what you truly can call me is B-Dog, or the infamous B if you wanna get grammatical with it. Or, yet again, you can know me as my alias, just so we're clear, that's the Respectable Dream 87, and Slapper Games on the end of those bad boys. If you want to be on my extra cool list, that is Bryce Games or the Respectable Dream 87 Games, just so we're clear. And today, yes, I was swallowing there, what about it? Anyway, today we will be doing Brawl Stars. I know it's really exciting, but guys, you gotta understand, yesterday I claimed a load of freebies. I'm talking a load of them, and combined with my 7, right, I got 4, so 7 plus 4. I got 11 in total, and if this is a lucky day or the luckiest day, then that'll be awesome. But of course you gotta start the day with just 1 nano noodle. And the 1 nano noodle is the luckiest nano noodle of the day. If I see another nail in my cups, then I'm gonna get so crashing out. English is hard, guys, but you understand, not everyone can be an English genius such as you guys. I mean, the most genius that you've ever done was watch my channel. But also another genius you can do. Yes, I am supporting another channel. Another genius you can do is what? Ignore that. Watch Deathbug. I cannot stress this enough. He is one of my, if not my favourite YouTuber of all time. Because he is my favourite YouTuber now that I'm thinking of it. And I just wanna say content creator luck is not real. Boy, if the... Oh my god! Wait, no! I just had to shut up. Did I? I just had to shut up, really? What, you gotta be joking. Okay, I don't have to shut up, it's just random stuff. But you know, I'm just trying to find a method, you know. And as usual, I'm getting, well, not as usual, cause it's alien to me to get anything, either 1 nanometer in a cup, and you gotta be joking me. There's a lucky day and another contest, and there's more freebies. You got to actually be joking with me. Well, I mean, although I'm gonna do ranked. I've been putting it off for a long time, so let's do some ranked. But obviously we're gonna be doing the community event first, because gotta get you guys into the swing of things, if you know, you know. And I just want to say thank you to my mum, my pet goldfish, my Aunt Susie. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point, but I'm gonna keep saying it because I want to, and yes, so anyway, wait, did I even, I don't think I checked Juju Shop yesterday. You don't think I did? Well, to be fair, oh, that is actually a really good deal. That epic deal is so good, but I could probably get a better offer. Oh! One of my, sorry, I'm messing up a lot. It's just I'm silently burping, you know. This is one of my favorite skins combined with a mega box. Is that, there's no way, right? Oh, that's, no, you. How would they taunt me? They cannot do that, can they? They gave me one of my favorite Surge skins, but no help for progress. Well, I guess I'll get the cheerleader Rosa, but I am still sad, because I had my favorite Surge skin without having any progress to make. And yeah, that's really about it. But I also wanted to say, I don't even know what I wanted to say, honestly. I just wanted more time on the video, quite frankly. So, I'm gonna be doing Showdown as Rosa, obviously, in my new skin. I almost forgot where Rosa is. That was embarrassing. And as my new skin, now I don't have to do Sunflower Rosa, because, are you kidding me? I can swear I clicked on Rosa. This game is tomfoolery at its finest. I almost said tomfoolery. You can call it tomfoolery actually, but that's more of a posh way of saying it. I say tomfoolery. And I just wanted to say there's no nano drop modifiers, so oh my god, no. I do not know why I'm speaking like that. I'm just trying to rage debate, I guess. Anyway, I just want you to know that I'm gonna definitely kill these kids. Oh my gosh, the lobby's going down really slowly. Oh! No, really, don't. Oh no. I mean, really, you don't have... Really, this is going to be... I swear to goddamn God, I am going to be so angry if this happens again. Yeah, that's why I said angry. What are you gonna do about it? Probably not win as much as I. Also, I'm going to get... I hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna get 10 wins on Showdown. And as I said that, I realised we don't need to say I hope you don't mind, because I'm doing it anyway. And I accidentally put on face cam instead of cutting. So what I'm gonna do is cut. It's just that simple, guys. You know, guys, if I was showing you all the Rosa wins, I really wish that the pros who put Rosa in F tier could see this video to know how wrong they are, because I'll even show you a match of me winning with Rosa, and you can decide how OP she is. You just need to either get her super or just get near to someone. There's no in between. Oh my god, actually this... Oh my dear, I'm so low, please. Please, if I die, then that'll be mighty embarrassing. No, yeah, I wasted my hypercharge. I killed the BB, there we go. In my opinion, not gonna lie, but Rose is better than El Primo. Sorry to you El Primo lovers out there. That's just in my opinion, because did you see that? That was insane. Rose is insane. I'm insane. Put me and Rosa together, insane plus insane makes crazy, like Crazy Dave from Plants vs Zombies. You ever played that game? I don't know if you have, but it's a really good game, and you should consider getting it. Alright, so I think I overdid it just a bit much, because my goal was 20, 26 wins is what I got now. And that is legit crazy. Because this isn't even the last win. No! Well, I regret I'm cutting now. Thanks a lot for that, Ems. You just ruined my best at Brawl Stars reputation. Now I'm just a Brawl Stars YouTuber. I'm kidding, I could never take that title away from Snake Thug. If you know who Snake Thug is, then you're a real one. Yeah, you're part of the Brycey gang if you know who Snake Thug is. Guys, let me inform you, grace you with my intelligence. Even I got disconnected, get this, for being idle. I know that's a real eye-opener, right? And in my opinion, touching grass is just the best ever. In my opinion, in my humblest of opinions, I'm gonna use touching grass on my favorite brawler now. Actually, I'm gonna keep the lover bot. I honestly just love touching grass. Do you know what I don't like? Getting terrible rewards in my nano drops. I only got 4 as the personal best. You gotta be joking, kidding me, man. No way! There's no, come on. Ideas. I got a screw to ruin the whole one. And I don't know if you heard that cause I dropped the tablet on my big belly. But I said that ruined the whole one. Just looking out for you. Don't want you to miss anything I said. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No, I'm not gonna lie. In my humblest of opinions, wait, what's our title already? Boom. I wanna do touching grass so bad because she does touch grass. Wait! Then Colt can be boom and everything's good because I said it's good and yes. So I think that's a really big brain play given the builder to Nita, but now Colt needs to get boom, not touching grass. Even though I love that pin, it can only show up for Shelly, and I don't use Shelly too much, so you won't see it a lot, which, yeah, I know is unfortunate and everything, but it's my channel, and yes, so, also, another thing, I really need the toilet, so I'll be right back with more awesome vibes coming from you to you live. Yes, I messed that bit up. So what? Also, when you believe that in the middle of the sentence, I just accidentally turned the whole thing off, like it stopped recording and it made me sad and everything. What I was trying to say before I rudely got interrupted by my own opposite of intellect is when I return, I'm gonna be playing a Shelly, but before I go, let me just show you what I get from this, because, oh my god, ascended at 8-bit, we cannot believe that. Okay, well, at least I'm cool. Yes, I'm cool. And now I will depart. So I would just like to say I apologize greatly, because while I did say I'd go to the toilet, I took ages after that, and I mean ages after that, sorting out my unique character profile pictures. So I just wanna say sorry for not going to the toilet as soon as I said I would. But on the other hand, I got the Max Star Buffy, which doesn't really relate to the current affairs, but then again, I am amazing, so it doesn't really matter. Yes, I really need to get some better lines and some better content, and this is where we'll get that better content. And I don't know why I'm saying and so much, and I will stop right now. I'm going. No! Why'd I even rush in, dude? Why would. No, actually, This was the wrong choice for me. In my opinion, at least. In my humblest of opinions. I am going to lose now because I'm excellent. No! That is on. I don't even know what that means, but then again, I am amazing. Guys, I just wanna say I'm on track for my world record of most YouTube videos spliced together, and I am not happy about that, because I made like 3 videos so far, and if you've been watching my channel, you would know that I'm really ashamed of that. So I think let's just play a bit of those, and then let's go off the video. Sign off, you know. Just so you know, I will be doing ranked. I there would 100% no excuses. If there are excuses, I'm gonna cry. Because I don't want there to be excuses. No excuses, you understand, guys. I don't want excuses. Well, I tried talking like a normal human being, but apparently I'm not allowed to do that without being harassed. No. What? Wait, if I die one more time, you no longer have to subscribe. I'll be homeless, I'll be poor. Yeah. Yeah, just ignore that sound, but now you may be wondering why I'm not spitting as much funnies at you as normal. Well, the truth is, I've been watching YouTube and at the moment I'm on YouTuber mode. So that's the reason. No! And now I think this is where I sign off, honestly. Right, so if you haven't already subscribed, and I just realised that's not my outro. I literally forgot my own outro, so I started using someone else's. But, guys, time for my BAFTA winning outro. Remember, guys, you're perfect, stay perfect, I'm perfect, I mean, look at me, I'm just a basic representation, I think that's why, of perfection. I'm perfection in its finest form, basically. In a nutshell, I am perfect. This has been a long-winded outro, so I will say this. Ta-ta, soldiers!